All right, y'all, this is crazy. I just got home from work and it's snowing like crazy here in Western North Carolina. But on a good note, my Nectar mattress showed up today. Check it out. Here it is, the moment you've been waiting for. The box is a little damaged, but I'm hoping that the mattress is safe inside. It's pretty cold out here, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing in and we'll get it set up. And here you have our floating DIY king platform bed. I didn't do a video on how to construct this. There's definitely some tutorials online. If you have any questions, I could answer those for you. It actually looked a lot better before I put the plywood on, but the plywood's what's going to provide a pretty solid support system for this mattress. So here you have it for reference. The box is a pretty good size. It's bigger than I thought it was going to be, and it's also in a lot rougher shape than I thought it was going to be. You can see some pretty good sized gouges and scrapes, bent in corners, things like that. But I'm sure the mattress inside is in good shape. Either way, we'll go ahead and pop it open and see what we got. So it's only been about 15 minutes since I opened it up from the time lapse, and it seems to have filled in pretty good so far. It's easy to notice the blue piping around the edge of the bed, so you can kind of see where it may be not as straight, but this seems to be a slip cover that you could adjust. I'm sure once the bed fully forms in, that's gonna kind of square up a little bit more. I hope it will, at least. You can notice it more on the front here. But overall, it looks pretty cool. Looks like there's a low spot here in the back. Keep an eye on that. I'm sure it'll fill in. So it also came with this handy little cutting tool. You've probably got one of these laying in a drawer somewhere, but it actually works really well for cutting open the outer layer of the plastic, which is what it's actually meant for. And you could actually cut it without cutting into the mattress, so definitely recommend using that. The pillows, they feel pretty soft. I don't see anything too crazy or outstanding about those, but we'll give them a try. They were free with the purchase. So again, it's been about 15 to 20 minutes now, and we're right at 11. Just under, maybe. So it's actually getting close to bedtime now. I wish I could use this tonight, but I'm gonna follow the directions and at least wait the 24 hours. The instructions say to wait 24 to 72 hours for it to fully expand. Seems like it's done pretty well so far, so I'm just gonna plan on sleeping on this tomorrow night, and I'll let you know at that point what it feels like. I'm not even late on this yet. I'm just gonna let it do its thing, and then I'll fast forward really quickly and to the next morning, let you know how the first night went. Alright, so it's been the full 24 hours, and we've got some sheets on there. I'm ready to give this thing a try. Hercules is already trying it out, and I think he digs it. So I know it's not really fair for me to say because I haven't slept on it yet, but this bed is definitely comfortable, and I think it's going to work out great. The pillow itself, it's pretty comfortable. We also have some that we bought separately, so we'll probably use both, but I'm definitely going to keep the Nectar pillows for now. And I'm looking forward to tonight so we can give this thing a try, and we'll see you in the morning. Alright, so night number 1 is in the books, and this thing is definitely comfortable. I think it lives up to the hype, and I'm looking forward to sleeping on this thing for a long time. I know it does have a 365-day trial period, but I'm pretty happy with it, even after just the first night. I'm going to do my best to keep you guys updated if anything changes. If nothing else, I'll do probably like a 3-month review and let you know how it's still holding up at that point and what I think about it. But either way, thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.